In this video, I'm going to show you how to add users, how to remove users, and how to set user permissions. To see the list of users or staff you already have in the system, go to Setup and then Staff or Users. You can add as many users as you like, but the number of people actually logged in is defined by the number of licenses that you have. So here we've got 6 different people, 3 of which can be logged in at any time if we have 3 Brightpearl licenses for this business. Let's add a new staff member. We'll give them a company name, and this is used in outbound emails, and of course first name and last name. The email address is essential because that's what they'll use for logging in. And then telephone and mobile or cell is purely for your own records. There's a separate video which talks about email addresses and email signatures. If you don't set up an email account, then every email that this user sends will come from their own email address. Choosing an expense account is covered in the expense management videos. Save this staff member, they'll be added to the list, and then they'll be automatically sent an email with their password. If you want to set a password for them manually, then click Password here, either type one in, or click to generate a new password for them. The next thing you probably want to do is set permissions, so let's click Permissions, where we can either choose to turn various things off simply by clicking them, or what we can do is we can actually copy staff permissions from another one of my team members. Accessing the Brightpearl API, which is a programmatic interface to the system, is by email address and password. So if you don't want a user to access data by API, click the tick here, which turns their access off. If you've got the point of sale module installed, then you'll need to put a PIN number here, and that's covered more in the point of sale videos. When a team member leaves, what you need to do is reassign everything that they own. What they've done is still going to be in this system because you're not actually deleting the record, but what you're doing is just demoting them or removing the ability for them to log in as a staff member. So what we do here is we hit delete and we need to reassign everything that they own so that somebody else can pick it up. So let's choose another staff member and then hit save. And that's pretty much all you need to know about adding and removing users. For more information, have a look at the videos about email addresses and signatures and also staff teams.